Cole.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're here in the state of Ohio versus Brandon Truitt, case number 26CR59. The defendant is present with counsel Jim Reardon. We were last here on May 6, 2026, where the defendant pled guilty to count 1 of the indictment, having weapons while under disability, a felony of the 3rd degree in violation of Revised Code Section 2923.13A2, along with the forfeiture specification, and we are here for sentencing.
Mr. Reardon.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did review the pre-sentence documents. Also, I did submit a letter to the court from Mr. Truitt's brother, which I understand the court received and reviewed. In this circumstances, I believe that a community control sanction is appropriate here, Your Honor. Looking at Mr. Truitt's prior criminal history, obviously he has the 1 prior felony, which is the reason why we're here today, because of the weapon while under disability. Mr. Truitt has great family support. His mom is here, Your Honor. As you know, Mr. Truitt was placed on house arrest for a very long time, or GPS monitor with no contact, and he had to stay at the extended stay because the brother lives with mom, so he's been staying there for quite some time. He has significant serious mental health issues, the documentation of which was provided to probation and myself, and it is clear that primary reasons for the problem today is, especially at the time of this incident, that he was not taking his medication as prescribed, which was noted in the report. However, he has been re-engaged with Crossroads and following their recommendations and treatment. He hopes the court will consider that that's the primary problem here and allow him to continue to treat and receive the help he needs so that he can be continued to be, since this has happened, a productive member of society with the ability to do things like work, etc. But of course, the conditions with his housing and the no contact have created somewhat of a hurdle that he's been trying to overcome, but he can do that. He just needs to make sure that he follows the recommendations of the treatment providers, which I know he'll do, and I hope the court gives him a chance to do that. Thank you.
Mr. Truitt, what do you want to tell me before I sentence you?
I'm not a bad person. I just made a mistake, and I feel bad for it.
What was the mistake?
I didn't make a mistake. It's just I reacted in the wrong way. If I would have just took a chance, because my phone was on 2%, if I would have just sent a text to my girlfriend and just risked it, instead of just, because I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know what he was going to do.
Well, tell me what happened.
So we were outdoor dashing to get some money for some marijuana. And we were doing that. Everything was going cool. We stopped at a gas station when we finished. He stopped. He was on his phone. I went to the gas station to get some miles. I came back. I got into the car. He was still on his phone. We were waiting. So I started to break down my mile. Then I started to light it up. And then he said, "You're not smoking in here." I said, "Okay, cool. I'm not smoking in here. I'm just lighting it up in here to step outside because it's windy." You feel me? So I lit it up. He said, "You're not smoking in here." I said, "Okay, cool." So I stepped outside, lit it up, smoked it, came back inside. He was still talking about the situation. I said, "Dead it. It's done. I didn't smoke in your car. So why are we still talking about it?" And he kept saying, "We're going to fight this, and this." I didn't understand where it was coming from because I ain't never did that to him. You feel me? Every time he asked me for something, my door was always open. So I just don't understand why he turned on me like that.
So then what?
What is it?
The gun.
Oh yeah, that's what I was getting to. Yeah, so I pulled. What was it? He said we're gonna fight. He said get out the car. This, and this. We're gonna fight. So I pulled the gun. My finger wasn't on the trigger, and I just
Why
put
did you pull a gun out?
Because I didn't know because he wanted to fight me and all this other stuff over a mile.
So what if he wanted to fight you? Then why didn't you fight him? Why did you pull a gun out?
That's another charge. If we fighting in public, isn't that another charge?
I don't give a shit. What?
I do.
It's irrational for you to
Sorry,
pull a
sorry.
gun out because your brother's giving you a rash of shit about smoking a cigar in your car. in his car. It's irrational to pull a gun and hold it to somebody's head. Why did you do that?
I just panicked.
Panicked?
I didn't panic. I kind of panicked.
Any idea why you reacted like that?
My brother can fight, so
Your brother can fight.
yeah, he's been fighting for a lot of years. So, I mean, it's just my thing
Why were
is,
you carrying the gun, first of all?
well, I found it when I was in the woods, and then
Found it where?
In the woods when I was hiking
Where?
in Cleveland. I don't remember what.
Okay, come on. Let's
I'm not lying.
let's stop with the nonsense. You didn't find what kind of gun is it?
It's a 380. It's the old 380.
You just found it. You just found it in the woods.
Yeah, it's a rusty 380. Yeah,
Okay. Does it work?
yeah.
How do you know it works?
I shot it
Where?
in the woods.
Where'd you get the ammo?
But there was already like a clip in it. What are you talking about?
When did you find it?
I don't remember when I found it. It's been
How long ago? Was it a year ago?
like a couple of years ago.
A couple of years ago. Why don't you have a discussion with him about whether it's a good idea to lie to me
I'm not lying.
when I'm about to sentence him, okay? And I'll be back.